Today I'm going to teach you how to accept recurring donations on Squarespace for your nonprofit. This is a fantastic way to create a steady stream of support for your organization while making it incredibly easy for donors to contribute on a regular basis. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, you'll need to head over to donorbox.org and log into your account. DonorBox is a powerful donation platform that integrates seamlessly with Squarespace, and it's specifically designed to handle recurring donations for nonprofits. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your fundraising tools ready to go. Next, navigate to your campaign section and locate the specific campaign you want to embed on your Squarespace site. Once you found it, click on the Share and Embed option. This is where DonorBox provides you with various ways to display your donation form across different platforms. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the Donate button option. So go ahead and click on that. You'll see some code appear on your screen. Copy this embedded code. This code is what will allow your Donate button to appear and function properly on your Squarespace page. Now it's time to switch over to your Squarespace site. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want the donation button to appear. Click the Edit button to enter the page editor. Find the section on your page where you'd like to place the Donate button. This could be in your header, sidebar, or anywhere that makes sense for your site's layout. Once you've chosen your spot, click Add Block. Squarespace will show you a variety of block types you can add. Look for and click on the Embed option. This block type is specifically designed to hold custom code from external platforms like DonorBox. After adding the embed block, you'll see it appear on your page. Click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. From the options that appear, click Code Snippet. This tells Squarespace that you want to add custom code rather than just a simple URL. Next, click Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier from DonorBox. Go ahead and paste that embedded code into the field. Before finalizing, click Preview in Safe Mode. This allows you to see how the Donate button will look and function on your live site without actually publishing it yet. Take a moment to make sure everything appears correctly and the button is properly positioned. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to lock in your changes. Finally, click Exit to leave the page editor. Your recurring donation button is now live on your Squarespace site, ready to accept contributions from supporters who want to make regular donations to your nonprofit. And that's it. You've successfully integrated DonorBox recurring donations into your Squarespace site, giving your nonprofit a professional and efficient way to receive ongoing support. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.